Okay, good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about water pressure valves, whole house leak detection, and water filtration for the whole home. This is a channel where you learn about buildings, energy, and science. So to start off today, we're going to go and talk about a water pressure valve. This one is called Calefi, and this goes into your water main line before it comes into your home, and it regulates the water pressure before it gets to any of your fixtures in your house. We can dial this down all the way down to 15 pounds per square inch, or PSI, all the way up to 90 PSI. But for residential homes, and to save our clients the most water, we set this around 55 PSI. That way it's not too hard of a water pressure, and it's not too low of a water pressure. Next, we're going to move on over to our whole house leak detection kit. Now this one's called the Fin. The Fin is a smart water assistant, and what this does is the whole house leak detection system. It's also Wi-Fi compatible. It's going to interact with your whole house plumbing system. It's going to track your water usage at each fixture, and it's also going to alert you in case you have any type of a water leak. So let's say you've got a catastrophic water burst and you're on vacation. You don't know. This thing is going to turn on and go, hey Jason, you might have a water leak. And then we're going to say, hey, okay, go ahead, shut off the water. Then we're going to be able to call a plumber and get the water fixed. Or it could be as small as a toilet flapper. It's going to learn the habits of all your fixtures in your home, and then alert you if it notices something's not right with each fixture. Okay, and that's the whole house leak detection system. Our next one's going to be talking about our whole house water filtration system. Now, with these, we design and install kind of to our clients' habits and how much water they use, or maybe what type of water they need for their house. So this client actually needs an alkaline system, so we're going to get right into that. So first, we're going to talk about this one here. This is a 5 micron. Now, micron is short for micromillimeters, which in comparison, the thickness of one of your hairs on your head can be anywhere from 50 to 75 microns. This goes down to 5. So you can see how small of a particle that is. So what's great about this, it's going to remove sand, dirt, silt, rust, and a lot of small debris that you can't see with the human eye. Now this also is going to go inside of this one here, right like that, inside that blue cartridge. Okay, our next one in line is our carbon block. Okay, this one here is going to help reduce chlorine levels or smells. It's also going to catch smaller sediment particles that could be floating around in your water. It's also going to get volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, and it's also going to help make your water taste better and smell better. Now people say, water smells? Yeah, lots of times, actually when my wife was pregnant with both of our children, now that they're older and in their 20s, but she would say, hey, the chlorine smells like water when she filled it up for a bath. I'm like, nah, you're out of your mind. I'd go in the bathroom, I smell chlorine. So this is going to help reduce or eliminate those smells. Next one's going to be our alkaline filter. Now, alkaline filter is great. It's going to go in this cartridge here. Okay. And what's nice about this alkaline filter, it's also got done numerous research on these, okay, and studies. It actually increases the pH in your water. Okay, it produces antioxidants. It's also going to reduce lead in your water system. It also is going to enhance the cardiorespiratory capacity in your body, so you can exercise more or more vigorously. It also aids in your body for neutralizing the acid properties we accumulate through our diet. So if you have acid reflux, or what we think more like heartburn, it's going to help with that. Okay. Okay, so that's a great filter here. That one's going to go into that single one. Now we're going to be talking about this one here. This one here is a 1 micron. Remember, we had 5 micron first, then we had a carbon, then we have an alkaline. Now we got a 1 micron. This is going to help remove all the leftover stuff that these ones did not get or catch because they're too small. This one's going to get even smaller particles. Okay, and what's nice, then after that, it's going to go through a UV light. So here, let me switch hands. This one here, this Viqua is a UV light. This is the final step in our water filtration system. What this does, it's going to inactivate chlorine-resistant parasites that can be floating around in your water, such as Cryptosporidium, Giardia, microbiological contaminants, and harmful bacteria like E. coli and other viruses that aren't visible to our naked eye. Wow, this is a great system. I can't wait to get it installed. I can't wait to find out the end results for our client. And what's going to be great is we're going to be installing this in the next couple of days. We're going to be posting more videos on it, and then you'll be able to see step by step on how the system went into the client's home and exactly what the end results are once we're done. So that's about it. That's a wrap on talking about pressure valves, leak detection system, and whole house water filtration system. We combine them all in one piece. That way our homeowners have peace of mind. So remember, I'm Jason Scheuer with Best Tex Contracting, Design, Build, Remodel. We're a home performance general contractor, specializes in healthy, environmentally friendly homes that utilize net zero energy and passive house standards. And our goal is to provide our clients with better comfort, better indoor air quality, and a safer, more durable home, which in the end uses less energy. One last question. What's in your water?